All right, in दिवाली मेला it's now time to talk about jewelry. दिवाली का समय है और साथ ही शादियों का भी मौका है. लोग ऑनलाइन भी बहुत ज़्यादा खरीद रहे हैं. So what is happening in the jewelry market? What are the new trends? लोग कितनी खरीदारी कर रहे हैं? बात करते हैं. मेरे साथ है डायरेक्टर पोपले ग्रुप राजीव पोपले. वेलकम टू द शो. कैसी लग रही है दिवाली? कैसा लग रहा है कस्टमर्स को दुकान में वापस आते हुए देखकर?
Diwali is back.
Diwali is back finally after 2 years.
2 years we missed Diwali a lot.
Yeah.
Diwali is back. More importantly, morale is back. Customers खुश है shopping के लिए.
Right.
बाहर आ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
The whole cheer in their face is very different.
Right, right.
So it is freedom basically.
So I want to ask you a lot of questions, but then let's start with what trends and what designs do you have for Diwali? After 2 years आप कह रहे हैं कि लोग आ रहे हैं, तो लोगों के लिए आपने क्या नया offer किया? I can see beautiful sets over here. So what all do you have to offer?
So we've done a lot of work for 2 years.
I can see that clearly.
Understood customers across. Understood how they'll come back. The bounce back was really important for us, and our design team was always on because that's the way we work. Designing comes from the heart, so for us it's never going to go out of style. Our whole collection's been different.
Okay.
Basically a festive season. So we've got the aspiration which the Indian consumer looks at, whether it's self-purchase, whether it's the bridal season which is coming up next.
Exactly, yeah.
Both of them have to be handled together.
Sure.
दिवाली में कहते हैं कि जो शुभ परचेस होती है, भले वो शादियों के लिए हो, शुभ परचेस happens during Diwali. So whether it's Guru Pushya Nakshatra, whether it's Dhanteras, whether it's Lakshmi Puja, that wedding piece जो एक खरीदनी है वो दिवाली में तो होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए.
That's how it happens. So for us that's really important, and we've designed things in a different way. So it's 3D printed jewelry, whether it's diamond.
So this is 3D printed jewelry.
This is entirely 3D printed. You can see the elevation of the piece.
Okay.
The entire piece.
Yeah.
Along with that, this piece is even removable. So you can even remove the pendant and wear it separately.
Right.
That's the beauty. With the earrings that go with it.
Sure.
So it's got.
So लोग खरीद क्या रहे हैं? मतलब are people buying more gold jewelry or diamond jewelry? Because I can see a mix of both actually over here that you've highlighted. And these are, by the way, the hot selling items this Diwali.
Yeah. It's both.
It's both?
At par.
Okay.
Self-buying is the prime subject. So self-buying में customers are buying pieces for themselves to start with, because 2 years has been a lot of guilt shopping which needs to be covered up. That's where it comes in.
So speaking of that, I remember मुझे राजीव बता भी रहे थे कि ऑनलाइन भी लोगों ने बहुत खरीदारी की है. इनफैक्ट इनका ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बहुत हमेशा से चलता आया है, करीब 22 साल से चलता आया है. और ऑनलाइन अगर हम देखें तो लगभग अब जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है आपका 50% ऑफ योर सेल्स इज फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन.
There's 50% support which happens online, which is very important to connect to the customer. So even if it's pandemic, we were there with the entire collection online. At the same time, evolving with the trends which were there internationally. Color trends of Pantone we had adapted in jewelry. We've developed collections which are there even for work from home shopping.
Right.
We've done Zoom meeting weddings which were designed jewelry for them also.
Right.
Because that's part of the whole thing. If there's a wedding and it's a Zoom wedding, can't help it. So you wear jewelry which is adaptable to Zoom weddings. Work from home is a current trend. It's been there for 2 years.
Right.
We've designed jewelry which a lady can wear from home and which will be enough to suit that atmosphere which is not in the eye.
अब जब आ गए हैं वापस दुकानों में आ गए हैं कस्टमर्स, तो आप क्या नया दे रहे हैं, किस तरह दे रहे हैं? हाउ एक्साइटेड द कस्टमर्स आर, और आप उनको क्या बेस्ट ऑफर्स भी दे रहे हैं कंसिडरिंग द गोल्ड प्राइसेस ऑब्वियसली?
Gold price itself is a huge offer for the consumer. We've come back to a realistic number of 50,000. 48,000 is the current trend which is going on, which is very lucrative, and that too in the peak of Diwali.
Totally, yeah.
Which we would have assumed it jumped because of Diwali as a subject, but no, it's been consistent, and that's really good for Indian consumer.
Absolutely.
Anytime the gold price is consistent, the Indian consumer comes out to buy very encouragingly, because they feel that's the focus on the design, then they focus on the collection, and that's how they go out to buy.
True.
The budgets are not disturbed because the price range.
Prices, yeah.
The husband in the family says go on, gold is still a sure commodity, so they are more encouraged to buy the commodity per se. That's an encouraging sign. Also in Bombay that we see stock markets have proved well.
True.
which is very good for liquidity issues
Yeah.
in Bombay consumers. You know, that's where a lot of trend comes
But then
in for
going
us.
forward, where do you see the gold prices now? Because we'll be having a lot of inflationary pressures, pressures, commodities would also be.
Unfortunately, yes, the economies will not look good if going down the line. So that's where gold gets a boost.
Exactly.
Safest commodity wise, gold gets the initial investment straight coming in, and that happens as an economic scenario worldwide. So whether it's India or overseas, the gold gets a boost because the other commodities fall down. You know, so in that case, gold obviously is a sure shot buy from Indian consumer point of view, and for the household lady, that initial saving going into gold is welcome. So it's Lakshmi both ways. You know.
Everywhere Lakshmi and everywhere gold and glitter. Now, as per the World Gold Council report, लगभग 48% का इजाफा देखा गया है डिमांड में. ज़मीनी हकीकत क्या है राजू?
Quite similar.
अच्छा.
Though I wouldn't want to comment on their reports. It's a very different scenario on which
Sure.
they pitch. But consumer-wise, yes, we've seen a growth from 2020 for sure. We've seen growth from 2019.
Okay.
So 2019 Diwali, we skipped 2020 Diwali. 2021 Diwali is a growth to 2019 for sure.
Okay, so
Which
you
is
are seeing
encouraging.
levels
Bounce back.
bounce back,
Yes,
the
yes,
pre-pandemic
far,
levels.
far better
तो
bounce
अगर
back.
इसको मैं आंकड़ों में परसेंटेज में बताना चाहूँ तो
We
कितना
would
होगा?
look at a 20-25% bounce back
Lovely.
to 2019,
Okay.
which is very encouraging.
Which is very encouraging.
What
Yeah,
we
yeah.
would love to have is sustenance.
Okay.
We don't want this to be just a pent-up demand. We want a sustained demand.
Exactly. This is my question. तो ये आपको pent up demand नहीं लग रही है? आपको लग रहा है कि it is here to stay?
For now, it is a pent-up demand, but we want it to stay because that's how it's supposed to be. There's a lot of pent-up if you have to really do it numbers.
Right.
And businesses across have not fared well in the
Sure.
entire period. So
Sure.
pent-up demand is always encouraging as a boost. But nevertheless, the confidence of the product and the category is very important.
Right.
What's also important is the consumers understood self-gifting, as a purchase is very important for
Sure.
their lifestyle today.
Sure.
So it's no more that saving culture per se, but they want to go out and enjoy the entire purchase.
Right.
That's what is happening post-pandemic. It's a psychic change,
हाँ.
which is very important from consumer
Consumers'
understanding
point,
point of view. They want to go out and enjoy their life, and they know it's a short-lived life.
हाँ,
Live once.
बिल्कुल
That's how we
बिल्कुल.
believe.
तो दिवाली हमेशा गिफ्टिंग का त्योहार, मीठा त्योहार, लेकिन खुशियों का भी त्योहार अब की बार सभी के लिए. और इसी के साथ आपको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो
Wish you
मच
all
फॉर
the
टॉकिंग टू
same.
अस.
Thank
थैंक यू.